First, locate the key ring slot on the side of your key fob. Use your flat tool to gently pry open the plastic casing. Be careful to avoid scratching the plastic. Once open, pop out the old CR2032 battery with your screwdriver. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the engraving inside the fob. Snap the casing back together, making sure it's properly aligned. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming it by inserting the key into the ignition, turning it to the on position, and pressing the lock-unlock buttons. Common mistakes include using the wrong battery size or damaging the rubber gasket that seals against moisture. If you damage the gasket or the fob is still not working, bring your car to a certified technician.